Hello, book buddies. This is Miss Evelyn with another phenomenal story for us. Our book today is a discovery book, Honk on the Road. This book has sound, and it's for my friend and all of my book buddies, Jeremiah, and everyone who loves books with sound. Let's see what the first sound is. This big tractor is bringing a trailer full of supplies to the farm. Vroom, vroom. The driver sits high up in the tractor's cab. This helps him to see in the distance. This big monster truck, watch out. There's a monster truck racing over the ramp. Wow, did you see that? Monster trucks are so big, they can crush a car. Lots of people are speeding into the city on the busy train. Choo-choo! Trains run along smooth, shiny train tracks. This truck honks its horn as it waits to cross the train tracks. Trucks need to have a lot of wheels because they carry heavy loads. Look, a noisy helicopter is hovering high in the sky. Helicopters can fly in any direction, even backwards. Look both ways. This sports car is driving down the road. Beep, beep, beep. Drivers have to stop if a traffic light is red. When it turns green, they can drive on. These police cars are on their way to an emergency. The loud siren warns other drivers to move aside and let the police cars pass. Coming through, this fire truck zooms past the cars to reach the fire. The fire truck carries firefighting equipment such as a ladder, a hose, and a water tank. The dump truck crashes and clanks as it pours out gravel and dirt. The dump truck can lift up at one end to dump out its load. The front loader is digging up the ground. Front loaders use their big front blades to move soil and rocks. All of these big machines make a lot of noise honking on the road. Let's listen again. And that's the end of our book for today, book buddies. I'll see you next time on Story Time with Miss Evelyn. And don't forget to wash your hands. Bye-bye.